Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video like this one. We do daily content on this channel where we talk about different homebrew, how to install different plugins, different emulators and things like that. So I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we have a very special unboxing, and I have my package here that just arrived on Monday, February 3rd. And this package contains a bunch of acrylic stands for my PSP consoles. And as a PSP enthusiast, I really love my handhelds, and I would really love the idea of displaying them. So I googled it, I looked everywhere, and I found this really cool website called Rose Colored Gaming, and they have very cool custom acrylic stands. And I wanted to just do the unboxing, review the product, and see how well they're built and things like that, and show you guys what's going on. And let's do this unboxing. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for about a week and a half, 2 weeks almost. And I wanted this to arrive before my room tour to kind of just do like a sneak peek or a display of the handhelds that I own, but no big deal. And let's open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. And it's in a small box. I ordered a stand for each one of my PSPs. I do have, well, not really. I have more than with what's going on in this box here. So two of them are like premium custom, and the other ones are like just regular acrylic stands. And I don't see this anywhere online where you can find some custom stands for your controllers and things like that. They not only do the PlayStation Portables, but they do like Game Boy Colored and Nintendo DS and things like that. So I wanted to try out these first to see the quality and see if they're worth getting for the other consoles that I have. And here's the first one. And oh, this is one of the custom ones called Star Ocean, and I forgot which one this belongs to, but here is the first one. And here is our second one. This is, oh, I forgot. I'm gonna have to pull up the receipt. But yeah, this is a nice custom gold. Very, very cool. Here's another one. And this is the regular acrylic, and it says PSP there. Beautiful. Here's oh, here's for the PS Vita. Nice. And that way they're just not like sitting like this, and they're more displayed. Love that. Love that idea. Here's another one for the PSP. And the one for the PSP Go. Alrighty. Why don't we set up the Go? Because I know that this one is for the Go. The other ones, they're specific to each generation, so I'm gonna have to go online and see which ones are which. But yeah, let's okay, here is the first one, and kind of hard to see. Let me rearrange my camera here. This one says PSP Go. And I thought this was like some kind of double tape, double sticky, but that's just how it arrives, I guess. There are no instructions. Oh yeah, it is sticky stuff. Is it? I'm not sure how this really goes here. Alright, so I'm removing this protective layer. And this is super clean. Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. Really hard for the camera to pick up just because it's all translucent here, obviously. Or acrylic, I'm sorry. And then we got the little stands. So I will peel these off with my terrible nails. I'm always biting. Okay, so there's the first one. Beautiful. They should just go on there. There we go, clips on. Okay, here is my Go. Let's take this back piece off, and look at that. Wow, that is nice. It's way better than just sitting on the desk flat, and now you can display them. Perfect. Well, that is beautiful. I'm gonna set up the other stands so this video is not too long and I'm just not sitting here trying to figure out which is which, and we'll be back. So stick around. Finally, that was a little bit of a struggle because I have no nails, and taking off all those films was a little difficult, but we finally got all the stands built and they look beautiful. I am so happy with the quality and the way they were shipped, and they look great. I'm so happy about this because now I can display my consoles, and unfortunately I still have 2 more sitting there and I would love to display them as well. But yeah, I would like to show each stand in a small showcase and review it a little bit with you. Alright, so let's take a look at the first stand, and this is the Acrylic Clear stand for the PSP 1000. It's going to be hard for the camera to pick up here, but I'll try my best. And overall, great material on every single stand. But I gotta say that taking off the film off these were a little difficult, and I gotta stop biting my nails. Beautiful, I love it so much. There's the first one. And you can't place any PSP on here. It has to be the specific one made for this stand. I can't fit a 1000 on, or I can't fit a 2000 on this 1000 stand. It's just not gonna work. I think that's great. Every stand is specific to its own. And now I'm going to place my PSP 1000 on here, classic, and it fits perfectly, as you can see. It's going to be hard to pick up just because of the black. Yep, it's a beautiful stand. Moving on to the second PSP 1000 acrylic stand. And this is the frosted version. Very nice. Same quality. And this one is for my PSP 1000 custom white. And it looks great. I'm in love with this housing, and I'm so glad I went through all that work to put them together. And I still haven't taken the film off the silver ring on the back just because I want to keep it super clean, and I try not to use this one as much as possible and just kind of keep it as a collector's item. Yeah, but I love this baby so much. Here is the PSP Go stand. Same material. Looks great. And I love my PSP Go. This thing is so cool. So small. And it fits just perfectly on there. And I'm so happy to have these stands because now I can display everything properly, the way they should be displayed. Beautiful. Love that. Apologize for the focus. It's very hard to pick up on these acrylic stands, and also the black just throws off the camera a little bit, and also the spinning. The autofocus is just trying so hard to get in there. And moving on to the PS Vita Acrylic Clear stand. Can't get enough of this material, but it is easily scratched. You can see that scratch right there. I thought that was Skylar's hair, but that's a scratch, so I'm gonna have to be extra careful while moving these and not slide them around. And here we go. I try not to turn on the systems because the camera might have a hard time focusing, so I'll just turn that back off. Yeah, it looks great. So happy with these. Can't get enough of them. I want more. Want to buy some more. And moving on to the two custom special edition stands, and these are specifically for the PSP 3000. And this one is Star Ocean. Beautiful etched artwork on the top here. And this stand is a total of 4 pieces, so the 2 stands and then these 2 bases. Nice aqua blue base, and on top goes this frosted acrylic piece, and it looks great. This was one of their last exclusive ones they had for sale, and I wanted to get it right away before it sold out. Fits perfectly for the 3000. I tried the 2000 and it sits there but not perfectly. You know, I want to be very careful trying to use different consoles on here. And yeah, I got a bad sticker on this one. Can't take it off, but I will sooner or later. Now we have the special edition No Prince Sama PSP 3000 display stand, and this is gold, very reflective. That beautiful sticker on the front there, I believe that's a sticker. Yeah, it feels like a sticker. Really love the design on this one. It's perfect. And I don't have another PSP 3000, so I am putting this baby on there, which is the perfect one. It's a little tight, but it works. And this is my PSP 2000 custom shell, custom clear shell. Beautiful piece. Unfortunately, the LCD is faulty right now, but I plan on making a separate video on how to change that. My first video on how to change the LCD is very successful, and I would love to update it to the 2020 format. That would be perfect. And unfortunately, the UMD reader does not work. Well, it does sometimes, so I'm gonna have to go in there and take a look and see what's going on. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful display stand here. It goes perfectly with the clear case PSP 2000 model, and I'm very happy, very satisfied with this purchase. And that is it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And let me know in the comment section what you think about these awesome stands. And I have the beautiful white model over here and the PS Vita over here, along with the white PS4 and my custom built PC to match. Hopefully I'll get a stand. Hopefully I'll get some stands for those guys, a couple of 2000s there, but I plan on doing some custom shells on those, so maybe not anytime soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.